Nature is often described as a place of constant competition, a world where only the strongest survive. But if you look a little closer, hidden among those struggles are incredible stories of cooperation. Unlikely partners become essential to each other's survival. Different species, yet living almost as if they were one. These are the partnerships we call symbiosis. Today, we'll follow the hidden alliances of nature. Unexpected combinations reveal secrets of life, and sometimes cooperation itself becomes the key to survival. Let's begin beneath the waves. Among the colorful coral reefs, the relationship between the clownfish and the sea. Anemone is one of the most famous examples of symbiosis. Sea anemones have stinging tentacles that drive away most fish, but clownfish have a protective layer on their skin that keeps them safe. The clownfish hides among the tentacles for protection from predators, and in return it brings food to share with the anemone. The anemone gains extra meals and the clownfish gains a safe home. Their bond is not just about survival, it helps maintain the balance of the reef ecosystem itself. Another story unfolds nearby. Cleaner shrimp act as tiny doctors of the reef. When a fish wants to be cleaned, it holds a certain posture, and the shrimp carefully picks off parasites from its body and even from inside its mouth. Remarkably, the fish never harms the shrimp. A silent contract of trust exists between them. Thanks to this partnership, the fish stay healthy and the shrimp enjoy a steady supply of food. These small acts of cooperation keep the ocean alive and thriving. Now let's move to the vast grasslands of Africa. Large animals like buffalo, zebras, and giraffes often carry small passengers on their backs, the oxpeckers. These birds feed on ticks and parasites lodged in the animal's skin. While it may seem bothersome at first, the truth is that the big mammals benefit greatly. Not only do the oxpeckers keep them healthier, but they also serve as early warning systems. When danger approaches, the birds take flight and sound the alarm, giving the mammals precious time to react. Cooperation here goes far beyond cleanliness. It can mean the difference between life and death. Underground, hidden from our sight, another grand partnership thrives. The roots of plants form alliances with fungi, creating what scientists call mycorrhizae. The fungi spread through the soil, drawing up water and minerals while the plants share sugars made through photosynthesis. This invisible cooperation fuels the growth of forests and sustains the cycles of life on Earth. Every breath we take in a forest is in some way thanks to this hidden alliance. Back in the ocean, giant whales carry countless tiny companions on their massive bodies. Barnacles cling to their skin, hitching rides across the seas. As the whales move, barnacles filter food from the water. The whales neither gain nor lose much from this relationship. It is a one-sided convenience for the barnacles, yet it ensures their survival. A similar story plays out on land. Cattle egrets follow grazing animals like cows, sheep, and horses. As the larger animals stir up the grass, insects leap out, and the egrets quickly snap them up. The livestock are unaffected, but the birds find an easy way to feed. It's a partnership built not on mutual exchange, but on opportunity. But not all symbiosis is harmonious. Some partnerships are uneasy, even harsh. These are cases of parasitism. The cuckoo bird is infamous for laying its eggs in the nests of other birds. The unsuspecting hosts care for the cuckoo chick, often at the expense of their own young. The cuckoo chick grows quickly, sometimes pushing out the other chicks entirely. It may seem cruel, but for the cuckoo, it is a strategy of survival. Parasites also exist within bodies. Worms and tapeworms live inside their hosts, feeding on the nutrients they find there. The host suffers, but for the parasite, this is the only way to continue its species. Nature makes space even for these uneasy alliances, and together they form part of the ecological whole. What's truly remarkable is that all of these different forms of symbiosis, mutual benefit, one-sided convenience, even parasitism work together to maintain the balance of ecosystems. Without fungi, forests would struggle to grow. Without oxpeckers, large mammals would suffer more from disease. Even the cuckoo, harsh as its method may seem, plays a role in controlling populations and shaping diversity. Nature embraces cooperation and conflict alike, weaving them into the fabric of life. For us, these stories carry lessons too. Human societies cannot endure on competition alone. Cooperation makes survival and prosperity possible. Just as trees depend on fungi and whales unknowingly carry barnacles, we rely on each other in ways we often overlook. Symbiosis in nature is not just about animals and plants, it is proof that life itself is interconnected. Mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, all of them are gears. In the great machinery of ecosystems, nature whispers to us survival is not about standing alone, but about moving forward together. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like. Please click on the next video, which is more interesting and fun.